calor.
Yeah.
Mucho.
So we were driving to El Limon, right? One of our scooters ended up running out of gas. I had to hop on Dylan's scooter. So we're with our friend right here. I had to go down to a gasoline store, fill up like soda bottles with gasoline, and then fill them up, and then it turns out it still won't start. So this guy took us to this mechanic. So we've been hiking for 30 minutes?
Yeah, at least.
30, 35 minutes. The real feel is definitely over 100 degrees right now. We're resting right now. It's been about 40 minutes of hiking. We're just hanging out here waiting for the rest of our group. They're coming up, they're just fucking slow. We are at the waterfall, and boom. It's pretty dope. Follow me, I'll show you guys. What? Anyway, so this guy said that it was about, how many stories high was this thing, he said? 15 to 20 stories high. So, there she is. Thing's pretty sweet. We were just actually in there swimming. I got some GoPro footage of us jumping off. My lens is getting a little wet right now, but there's Rosky back there. Waterfall. Super duper sick. Alright, that's a wrap.